Hey guys, Julie here from Julie Aaron Designs. Today I'm trying something a little bit different. I'm going to attempt to create a seamless pattern design in just 10 minutes using my iPad and the Procreate app. So I'm starting the timer right now. I'm going to start with a simple circle shape. So at 1 minute in, I'm just trying to center my circle shape using the snapping tools. So now I'm just adding a little bit of texture to my illustration. And we're about halfway through and it's finally starting to come together. So now I'm at the 8-minute mark and I'm kind of struggling here with getting the image to snap and to make the seamless pattern. So I kind of wasted a bit of time here fiddling around with that, which is kind of annoying, but you know, I eventually did figure it out. Just turning off all the other layers seems to help. And there you go, I finished it off just a few seconds before the timer went off. And it looks pretty cute, honestly, for the amount of time that I had. I think I would go in and clean up some of the lines and maybe redo the face and like add some more textures and maybe some like clouds in the background or something like that. And yeah, I think the background color could be a little bit brighter. I think that looks a little bit better, but overall, yeah, I'd say I'm pretty happy with it. So let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed this video and what you think of my pattern that I made in just 10 minutes, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers!